In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove bots from Slack. By the end, you'll know how to clean up bot posts from a channel so conversations stay focused and easy to read. Start by opening your browser and going to app.slack.com. If you're part of more than one workspace, make sure you're in the correct one for the channel you want to tidy up. You may be prompted to sign in. Once you're in, you'll see your channel list on the left and messages in the main view. Next, open the channel where the bot has posted messages. Click the channel name in the sidebar to load it. Give it a moment to populate recent activity, especially if the channel is busy. This approach is perfect when a bot has posted something noisy or outdated that you no longer need in the conversation. Now, locate a message that was posted by the bot. Bot and app messages usually show the app's name as the author, often with an app-style icon or a small label indicating it's from an app. Take a moment to confirm you're looking at the correct post, especially if multiple apps are active in the same channel. If the message is part of a thread, you can open the thread and remove the specific reply as well. Hover your mouse over the bot's message to reveal the message actions. You'll see a row of icons appear. Look for the three dots, often labeled More Actions. Click those dots to open the message options menu. This menu gives you several choices that apply to the specific message you hovered on. From the menu, choose Delete Message. Slack may ask you to confirm before the message is removed. Read the prompt, and if you're sure, confirm the deletion. The message will disappear from the channel, cleaning up the conversation immediately. If you don't see the option to delete, it usually means your workspace permissions don't allow you to remove that message. In that case, reach out to a workspace admin and ask them to delete it for you. Repeat the process for any other bot messages you want to remove. Open the channel, find each bot post, click the three dots, and delete the message. This is a straightforward way to keep channels focused without affecting other content. A quick note for clarity, deleting a bot's message removes that specific post from the channel, but it doesn't uninstall or deactivate the bot across your workspace. This tutorial is focused purely on message cleanup within a channel. That's it. You've learned how to remove bot messages from Slack and keep your channels tidy and on topic. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.